Co-production, primarily, as far as I'm concerned, is about communication.
And we all work on an equal footing, an equal level, mainly on health-based issues, often mental health.
Yes.
I suppose I feel mental health services sort of have a strongly organised pecking order of status.
Certainly, I've come across clinicians who are not interested in listening.
And the person, often anyway, who uses the services can be near the bottom of this.
It's almost as if in that situation it's incumbent upon the service user to educate the clinician and say, well, look, you're speaking all these big words that mean a lot to you but mean absolutely nothing to me. Can I educate you about me?
I'm interested in creating bridges, really, between those places.
And I think this can lead to more understanding of each other's points of views and giving maybe, as a result, less medication and lower doses.
How we began this work was to look at how do we overcome some of the power difficulty, the power dynamics, rather, which are apparent within mental health settings.
Okay, well, I've got a note of that because actually the focus of the House of Lords Round Tables is about collaboration in public services. And
maybe
I bring a lived experience. I first experienced mental health services as a 10-year-old. I was in a psychiatric unit for a couple of months. That was a really bad experience that I had, and it stayed with me.
And what I get out of it, social skills to improved intellectual challenges, I suppose. I co-designed and co-delivered some teaching sessions. One thing we do is in front of the students complete part of the Recovery Star for me to give answers that they would find illuminating.
So we're meeting as we usually do, at the Holiday in Bristol. We're opportunistic about where we can meet.